This courtroom moment hits hard right from the start. A 23-year-old defendant, Abigail, stands before the judge after admitting to multiple probation violations, missing therapy sessions, and failing to meet with her probation officer. But this isn't just about missed appointments. Behind this case lies a far more serious reality: 3 drunk driving offenses in just over a year. The judge doesn't hold back, and what follows is a brutal reality check about accountability, privilege, and the consequences of ignoring second chances. White right pointing backhand index, do you think missing appointments should lead to jail time, or is there more going on here?
On the 10th. And on the 10th, I let you turn yourself in for a day next door. I let you turn yourself in because I care more about your job than you do. So then, the day after that, I do this on Tuesday. You miss your guidance, your therapy appointment on Thursday, and then you miss your appointment with Kara yesterday. And it's like I don't know what you were thinking. Abigail, we've had trouble with you since you came in. It's not use violations. Oh, are you shocked by this? Are you surprised? Well, you should not be. You have consistently, if I count your violations, like I know that we're on number 7, but if you look at them, number 7's 3. Number 6 was 1, 2, 3, 4, right? I mean, it's like Kara's bunching them because it makes sense when you have that many violations in a short period of time. But you're consistently, you think this is Abigail's treatment court, and it's not. Yes, you do. It's a 23rd District Court treatment court program, and you're not special. You're not special in this program. Everyone else has to show up, and they have to do what they have to do to survive, but not Abigail. Abigail can cancel her appointments as she sees fit. She can miss things, and it's a consistent pattern. And the response that we always get from you is like, well, I have a job. Well, your recovery is more important than your job, because if you're sitting in Wayne County Jail, quite frankly, Abigail, on this, it should have been charged as a 3rd, and you should have a felony right now. Because let's talk about your record for a minute. You've had 3 drunk drivings in how long?
At this point, the judge lays out the full picture. And it's alarming. 3 DUI offenses in just over a year, including driving the wrong way on a major freeway. From a legal standpoint, this is extremely serious. In many cases, a 3rd offense would automatically be charged as a felony, potentially leading to years in prison. Instead, Abigail was given a major break, entry into a treatment court program. These programs are designed to prioritize rehabilitation over punishment, but they come with strict conditions: therapy, accountability, and full compliance. Missing appointments isn't a small issue. It signals noncompliance with a very system meant to help her avoid prison. White right pointing backhand index, should treatment programs be stricter when public safety is at risk?
We are miles out of Detroit, one of the busiest freeways in the state of Michigan, and one of the busiest areas in the state of Michigan. And you drove the wrong way on the freeway. That's how drunk you were.
I understand, Your Honor.
Okay, well, we're going over it because I don't think you do. I genuinely do not think you understand. And then you wouldn't stop for the cops. And a cop had to tap your car to get you to stop and get you from killing someone else or killing yourself at 23 years old. Your 3rd one in just over a year. And you got a gift. One, you got your life. You're not dead. You're not in prison for killing someone else, which is a miracle, going the wrong way on one of the busiest freeways, probably in the country. We're the Motor City, and you're driving the wrong way on one of the busiest freeways outside of Detroit. Then you get the benefit somehow of, instead of having a felony, you get the benefit of getting a misdemeanor for this. And in exchange, you have to do a treatment court program. That's the thing. And you should have been doing prison time. You should have been, or at least significant jail time. And you were given a gift and you have squandered it. I have watched you since you come into this program. You think you're better than the other women in the program. It's clear to me. You think that, well, I'm going to start sponsoring someone.
This is where the tension reaches its peak. The judge delivers a powerful and emotional warning, making it clear that Abigail's behavior isn't just irresponsible, it's dangerous. Driving the wrong way on a major freeway could have easily ended in tragedy, and the court emphasizes that she's lucky to even be alive, let alone out of prison. When Abigail tries to explain her situation, mentioning health issues and personal struggles, the judge cuts it short. Not because those issues don't matter, but because the pattern of behavior outweighs the excuses. In court, consistency matters, and repeated violations send a clear message. The defendant isn't taking the opportunity seriously. White right pointing backhand index, do you think the judge should have shown more leniency, or was this tough approach necessary?
Anything. I need you to understand you are looking at months in jail. Months. And quite frankly, even at their new facility, probably one of the grossest jails I've ever been in. And with people who are sitting in jail, awaiting trial or sentencing on pretty significant crimes. And you'll probably think you're better than them. And you're not, Abigail, because that's where you should be.
In the end, the judge makes a firm decision: 5 days in Wayne County Jail, with no early release. This isn't just punishment, it's meant to be a wake-up call. The judge even considers giving more time but stops at 5 days, emphasizing reflection over destruction. Legally, this reflects how treatment courts operate. They offer second chances, but only to those who actively participate and comply. When that compliance breaks down, consequences follow quickly. This case is a powerful reminder: opportunities in the justice system are earned, not guaranteed. And when public safety is at risk, courts will act decisively. White right pointing backhand index, do you think 5 days was enough, or should it have been harsher? If you found this case as intense as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
Is abysmal. It's terrifying. You're doing your 5 days in the Wayne County Jail. I'm writing no early release. You're gonna really reflect. You'll be out for Christmas. My gut tells me to give you 7, and I don't know that you deserve that yet. You're going in right now. You'll get out in 5 days. No early release.
I can't explain the...
No, I don't need it. I don't care what you want. Okay, go ahead, Al. Go ahead. Let's see if we can get you up to 7 days. Tell me what you got.
I mean, if it's not going to matter, it doesn't.
Does my face look like it's going to matter?
No, it really doesn't. I had a lot of really nice things to say about the program. I really appreciate being here. I understand that what I did is absolutely horrible. I feel awful about it every single day. I'm haunted by it, honestly.
You should be.
And I feel really, really grateful to be in this program and to have the opportunity to work towards a better life versus just incarceration. And I feel really grateful for treatment.
Well, show up and do the program or go sit in jail. That's your option.
I was
and when
throwing
you come
up
back,
all week. I haven't eaten in 6
Abigail,
days. That's why I missed on Wednesday.
Abigail, listen to me.
I'm going through an epilepsy diagnosis. I'm having seizures in my sleep. I slept through a therapy appointment, and I have a text from Josh that says any day that we need Zoom, we can use it. And then I showed up. And then he told me that we couldn't use it. It was a misunderstanding, miscommunication on his part or mine. I don't know, but I genuinely, I took everything into account the last time I was in front of you, and I took.
And then you immediately missed another appointment, and I'm done. I don't want to hear anything else. I'll mark your file medical. Enjoy your 5 days in the Wayne County Jail. When you come back, you can tell me whether you want to be here or whether you want to give your spot up for someone who's earned it.
There was a hearing date for the.
I don't care about the other violation. Dismiss it. All right, come on up. Miss Heiss, I need you real quick at the podium. I need to give you your appeal rights. All right, Miss Heiss, I did not give you your appeal rights, and I want to make sure you know them. An appeal to circuit court may be taken within 21 days from the date of your sentence, or as permitted pursuant to MCR 6.625 parent B. If the sentence includes incarceration, which it does, and you wish to file an appeal but are financially unable to retain a lawyer, the court will appoint a lawyer to represent you on your appeal if the request for a lawyer is made within 14 days of sentencing. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Heiss, you're all set. Can you please not make Ms. Heiss listen to that for too long?
Is Kara still here? She go down.